Inflation has become a pressing issue, particularly affecting seniors who often live on fixed incomes. Rising prices for essentials such as food, healthcare, and housing can create significant financial strain. As costs continue to climb, many seniors find it challenging to maintain their quality of life. This situation underscores the importance of seeking cost-effective solutions that can help manage expenses without sacrificing health and wellness. By exploring alternative remedies, seniors can not only save money but also enhance their overall well-being. It is crucial to identify practical and affordable options that promote health while alleviating the financial burden caused by inflation. In this video, we will delve into various natural remedies that can serve as effective and economical alternatives, enabling seniors to thrive in these challenging economic times. Let's explore these solutions together. As inflation continues to rise, seniors are increasingly seeking cost-effective solutions to maintain their health and wellness. Natural remedies offer an excellent alternative to expensive medications and treatments, helping seniors save money while enhancing their quality of life. Simple, accessible options such as herbal teas, essential oils, and home-cooked meals can significantly reduce healthcare costs. These remedies not only provide physical benefits, but also promote mental well-being, allowing seniors to take charge of their health without breaking the bank. By incorporating these natural solutions into their daily routines, seniors can experience improved health outcomes and greater financial stability. Additionally, these remedies often come with minimal side effects, making them safer choices for many individuals. Embracing natural remedies is a proactive approach that empowers seniors to live healthier lives while being mindful of their budgets. Herbal teas serve as an excellent, cost-effective alternative to expensive medications, offering numerous health benefits for seniors. These delightful brews can aid in digestion, reduce anxiety, and enhance overall well-being. Popular choices include chamomile for relaxation, peppermint for digestion, and ginger for inflammation. Preparing herbal tea is simple and requires minimal ingredients. Start by boiling water and adding 1 to 2 teaspoons of dried herbs or a tea bag. Allow it to steep for 5 to 10 minutes, then strain if necessary. Enjoy it hot or cold, sweetened with honey if desired. Not only do herbal teas provide a soothing experience, but they also help seniors save money on prescriptions and over-the-counter medications. By incorporating herbal teas into their daily routine, seniors can maintain their health while managing their budgets effectively. Essential oils can be a wonderful and cost-effective method for seniors seeking relaxation and stress relief. Oils such as lavender, chamomile, and eucalyptus are known for their calming properties. To use them safely at home, consider a diffuser to disperse the aroma throughout your space. Alternatively, you can add a few drops to a warm bath for a soothing experience. Always remember to dilute essential oils with a carrier oil before applying them directly to the skin to avoid irritation. It is also important to perform a patch test to ensure there are no allergic reactions. Incorporating essential oils into your daily routine can not only enhance your well-being, but also provide a natural alternative to expensive relaxation products. By embracing these simple practices, seniors can enjoy tranquility without straining their budgets. One effective way for seniors to reduce grocery bills is by incorporating more home-cooked meals into their daily routines. Cooking at home not only saves money, but also allows for healthier meal choices. By focusing on budget-friendly ingredients such as beans, rice, seasonal vegetables, and whole grains, seniors can create nutritious meals without breaking the bank. Planning meals ahead of time can also help in making the most of these ingredients, reducing food waste and ensuring variety. Simple recipes like vegetable stir-fries or hearty soups can be both satisfying and economical. Additionally, cooking in larger batches and freezing portions for later use can save time and energy. This approach not only fosters a sense of accomplishment, but also encourages creativity in the kitchen, making meals more enjoyable and fulfilling while keeping costs low. Growing a small herb or vegetable garden can be a rewarding and cost-effective remedy for seniors facing inflation. Not only does it provide fresh produce, but it also significantly reduces grocery bills. Starting with a few pots on a balcony or a small plot in the yard, seniors can cultivate easy-to-grow herbs like basil, parsley, or cilantro. Vegetables such as tomatoes, peppers, and lettuce can thrive in limited spaces. The initial investment in seeds and soil is minimal compared to the savings on store-bought produce. Additionally, gardening promotes physical activity, which is beneficial for overall health. Seniors can enjoy the satisfaction of harvesting their own food, enhancing their meals with fresh flavors. This sustainable practice not only saves money, but also fosters a connection with nature, improving mental well-being. Embracing gardening can lead to a healthier lifestyle while combating rising costs. One effective way for seniors to combat inflammation while being budget conscious is by incorporating natural supplements like turmeric and ginger into their daily routine. Both of these spices are known for their anti-inflammatory properties, which can help alleviate joint pain and improve overall health. Turmeric contains curcumin, a compound that has been studied for its ability to reduce inflammation and promote wellness. Ginger, on the other hand, is not only flavorful, but also helps in reducing muscle soreness and digestive issues. These supplements are often more affordable than prescription medications and can easily be added to meals or consumed as teas. For instance, seniors can sprinkle turmeric on roasted vegetables or brew ginger tea for a soothing drink. By opting for these natural alternatives, seniors can maintain their health without straining their budgets, making it a win-win solution. Engaging in regular physical activity is essential for seniors, and the good news is that it can be done without spending a dime. There are numerous free resources available, such as online workout videos and community programs designed specifically for older adults. Websites and platforms offer a variety of exercise routines, from gentle yoga to low-impact aerobics, catering to different fitness levels. Local community centers often host free classes or walking groups that encourage social interaction while promoting physical health. These activities not only help maintain mobility and strength, but also foster a sense of community. By utilizing these free resources, seniors can save on gym memberships while staying active and healthy. Incorporating physical activity into daily routines can lead to improved overall well-being, making it a vital remedy for both physical and mental health. Practicing mindfulness and meditation offers seniors a free and effective way to enhance mental health. These techniques can significantly reduce stress, anxiety, and depression, which are common issues among older adults. Mindfulness involves focusing on the present moment, helping individuals cultivate awareness and acceptance of their thoughts and feelings. Meditation can be as simple as sitting quietly for a few minutes each day, concentrating on breathing or using guided sessions available online. Not only does this practice promote relaxation, but it also enhances overall emotional well-being. By incorporating mindfulness and meditation into their daily routine, seniors can potentially decrease their reliance on costly therapies and medications. Many community centers also offer free classes, making it easier to connect with others while learning these valuable skills. Embracing these practices can lead to a more balanced and fulfilling life without the financial burden of traditional mental health treatments. Community support plays a crucial role in helping seniors navigate the challenges of rising costs. By fostering connections among seniors, individuals can share resources, knowledge, and experiences that lead to significant savings. For instance, seniors can organize food co-ops where they pool their resources to buy groceries in bulk, reducing overall expenses. Additionally, sharing tools or equipment for gardening or home maintenance can alleviate financial burdens. Community centers often offer workshops and classes that promote skills like cooking or budgeting, which can empower seniors to make informed choices. Furthermore, creating a support network allows seniors to exchange services, such as transportation or companionship, enhancing their quality of life without incurring high costs. Ultimately, A strong community not only reduces expenses, but also cultivates a sense of belonging, making it easier for seniors to thrive in challenging economic times. For seniors looking to manage expenses while embracing natural remedies, effective budgeting is essential. Start by tracking monthly income and expenses to identify areas where savings can be made. Consider creating a dedicated budget for health-related expenses, allocating funds specifically for natural remedies. Prioritize purchasing bulk items, such as herbs and spices, which can be more economical than buying smaller packages. Additionally, take advantage of local farmers' markets for fresh produce at lower prices. When preparing home-cooked meals, plan weekly menus to minimize food waste and maximize savings. Utilize free online resources for recipes that focus on budget-friendly ingredients. Lastly, consider joining community groups where seniors can share resources or even swap homegrown produce. By implementing these budgeting tips, seniors can effectively manage their expenses while enjoying the benefits of natural remedies for their health and wellness. Many seniors have discovered the financial benefits of adopting natural remedies. For instance, Margaret, a 72-year-old retiree, began brewing herbal teas instead of purchasing expensive medications. She reported significant savings while enjoying improved health. Similarly, George, age 75, started using essential oils for relaxation. Not only did he save money on spa visits, but he also found a newfound sense of calm. Another inspiring story is that of Helen, who began cooking at home more frequently. By focusing on budget-friendly ingredients, she reduced her grocery bills and enjoyed healthier meals. Lastly, a group of seniors in a community garden initiative shared their experiences of growing vegetables, which not only saved money, but also fostered friendships. These success stories highlight how simple lifestyle changes can lead to substantial financial benefits while enhancing overall well-being for seniors. While implementing natural remedies, seniors may encounter several challenges. One common issue is limited mobility, making it difficult to prepare meals or tend to a garden. To address this, consider meal prepping on days when energy levels are higher or seeking assistance from family or friends. Another challenge is skepticism about the effectiveness of these remedies. To combat this, seniors can start with small doses and gradually increase, noting improvements in their health. Budget constraints may also pose a problem. However, many remedies, like herbal teas and home-cooked meals, can be made from inexpensive ingredients. Finally, lack of knowledge about proper usage can be daunting. Seniors should utilize online resources or local workshops to gain confidence. By recognizing these challenges and implementing practical solutions, seniors can successfully integrate natural remedies into their lives. Embracing change can be daunting, but starting small can lead to significant improvements in health and finances. Seniors can begin by incorporating one natural remedy into their daily routine, such as enjoying a soothing cup of herbal tea each morning. This simple step not only promotes wellness, but also reduces reliance on expensive medications. Gradually, they can explore other remedies, like growing a few herbs on a windowsill or participating in community exercise programs. Each small action contributes to a healthier lifestyle and can ease financial burdens. Remember, it is perfectly okay to take things one step at a time. Celebrate each achievement, no matter how minor it may seem. By fostering a positive mindset and seeking support from friends or family, seniors can feel empowered to make these changes. Together, these small steps can lead to a more fulfilling and economically sound life. In summary, natural remedies present a viable solution for seniors grappling with the challenges of inflation while striving for a healthier lifestyle. By embracing cost-effective alternatives such as herbal teas, essential oils, and home-cooked meals, seniors can significantly reduce their expenses without compromising their well-being. Growing a small garden and utilizing affordable supplements like turmeric and ginger not only enhance health, but also contribute to financial stability. Engaging in regular physical activity through free resources and practicing mindfulness can further alleviate stress and improve mental health, eliminating the need for costly therapies. Community support and effective budgeting play crucial roles in this journey. Ultimately, these natural remedies empower seniors to take control of their health and finances, fostering a more balanced and fulfilling life amid rising costs. By taking small, manageable steps, seniors can thrive in both health and wealth.